it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I have a slightly different video for you. As you know, this is sale-a-bration time. So I thought I would just talk to you about the joining offer, which is fantastic during sale-a-bration. So up until the end of March, instead of the usual really great joining offer, you get an extra special one. And it is for the same £99 or €129, you get, instead of £130 or I can't remember the exact amount in euros anyway. So instead of the usual starter kit, you get £170 or €230 of product in your exclusive, individual, nobody else will have the same as you starter kit. And the reason I say exclusive, individual, nobody will have the same as you starter kit is because you get to choose what you want in your starter kit. This isn't one of those starter kits where you have to have the set things, half of which you've already got because you already like the product. This is, I've already got some stuff or I have nothing, but this is what I want. So if you want a particular selection of ink pads, that's what you get. If you want a particular designer series paper pack, that's what you choose. And you just add things, keep adding until you've got to £170 or €230. You can't go over that amount. Anything you want over that amount, you would wait until you have received your starter kit, and then you would put your first actual order in as a demonstrator, and then you get a discount on those extra bits and start the ball rolling. So that's the £99 version. But if you want that amazing craft and carry tote, which when I bought it was £47, which would be €61, you can get it as an add-on, if you like, to your starter kit. It's the option 2 starter kit, and it will cost you just £26, or let me do the maths. My maths is appalling. Or €31. That's right, £26 or €31. Sorry, trying to do higher mathematics. I'm filming this on a Sunday afternoon. It really doesn't go. So that's your second option. You also get a basic starter kit, which is all the current catalogues. You get order forms, you get invitation cards, those sorts of things. So a basic starter kit, so that if you want to turn this into a business like I have, then you've got everything you need to hit the ground running. But you don't have to if you want to be your only customer, and if you can meet the minimums, which are, details of all of that are over on my website. There's a link to my website immediately below, and if you go and have a look at the buy the starter kit, join my team page, that will give you, there's a joining FAQs page, and it will give you all the information about what the minimums are, the fact that if you joined in January, you have until the end of June to hit your first quarterly minimum, and they are quarterly, not monthly. So it does mean that you can put in, you know, one larger order rather than lots of little orders. And you get all the discounts that other demonstrators get, which you start with a net 20% discount. Plus you get all the bonuses of being a customer. So any of the offers that are there for customers, you get to benefit from as well. And the reason I'm showing you this selection is this is what my welcome pack is for my team of sparkling sunflowers. So I put together a little booklet which has got basic information about me, about the demonstrator website, about various of the terms that I used on the demonstrator website, how to get hold of me, that sort of thing. Just a basic little booklet to just give people a rough idea of you know, how things go, so that I give them that. I also do a laminated version of the compensation plan, so how they can earn extra income, so that sort of thing. There's a program where if you hit certain figures within the first 3 or 6 months, you get additional opportunities to get free product or free exclusive items. So there's information about that as well. And then this is the little just from me pieces. So a colour coach, which has got the in colours, the subtles, the brights, the regals and the neutrals. I don't include black, white and vanilla because they're kind of, you know, black, white and vanilla. So there's a colour coach. Don't know why I'm pushing that to one side. That's a colour coach. A little bar of chocolate. A welcome card. Now it's the sunflower, so why wouldn't I use the Painted Harvest set to make sunflower cards? And then a monogrammed notepad. And I make the notepads as well. So this is Balmy Blue. I hand stamped it with the amazing, love it, new, this is exclusive to demonstrators. It's the Stamping Your Way to the Top. I got this because I'm a leader. So I was given this at Onstage. This was a gift to me as one of the Stamping Up leaders. Other demonstrators are now able to purchase it. And this is one of the stamps from there, which is the Welcome to Your Team, or Welcome to the Team stamp. So, and I've stamped on the back, handmade by your biggest cheerleader, because I really like to cheer my team on. Whether they just want to be their own customer, their only customer. I say just, I don't really like the word of just or only, but whether they want to be their only customer, or whether they want to build a team and a business, I will cheer them on every step of the way. I do little congratulatory bits and pieces for them as they do things that maybe push them slightly outside their comfort zone. So, little notebook covered with the lovely new designer series paper. So new that its name is eluding me. Let me grab the pack and tell you what it is. It is All My Love designer series paper. It is gorgeous, and I've also used some of the foil from the sale-a-bration catalogue. This is in lovely lipstick, and this is lovely lipstick, so it ties in nicely. And that's just my first pack is going out to someone whose name is beginning with W. So that's kind of everything I wanted to talk to you about today. It's all this lovely joining information. If you've got any questions, and one of those is, by the way, yes, you can join if you are in the UK, France, Germany, the Netherlands or Austria. You can join the Sparkling Sunflowers. I run my team mostly via Facebook group pages. I do try to arrange a face-to-face 2 or 3 times a year, but as most of my team are spread to the 4 corners of the UK, that's not practical. Certainly not on a monthly basis, so generally we do a monthly call on Facebook, and then, say, I do an occasional face-to-face. So if you are on the main continent of Europe, and as I say, you're in France, the Netherlands, Austria or Germany, I would still be very happy for you to join my team. As I say, most of it is done via Facebook, so that works really well. Thank you very much indeed for watching me today. If you've got any questions, please do be in touch. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos, they are mostly about stamping and making things, then the subscribe button is in the bottom right hand corner. If you want to subscribe to my blog or my newsletter, you can hop over to my website, and there's places to do that. Thank you very much indeed, and I'll see you again very soon, I hope.